In this first phase, in the acute phase, we are alleviate the acute needs. It means evacuation of threatened people in the flooded areas, from the flooded areas. Also distribution of the bottled water, canned food and hygienic parcels. The essence of this operation is to save the lives of the people who are in flooded areas. And in the second phase, in the phase of recovery, we have to refurbish all the houses and the spaces that are ruined with the floods. And in order to fulfill that obligation, we need devices for all these things. Dryers, mud pumps, kits for the picturing of houses and so on. Today we started with evaluation of the humanitarian consequences on the flooded areas, and we have 5 teams, experienced teams, who will evaluate all the consequences, and they will register all the needs in these regions. I want to use this opportunity to express our gratitude to for all donors that offered and gave the support to the Red Cross. We have many companies from the business world who wanted to help and who offered the help and finally who gave the help. And it's very important for them also to be aware that we will need the help and the support in a coming time.